In this video, I'll guide you through how to buy games on Steam with a gift card. Using a Steam gift card is one of the easiest ways to purchase games without using a credit or debit card. Whether you've received a gift card as a present or purchased one yourself, redeeming it only takes a few minutes. Follow along, and I'll walk you through the entire process from adding the gift card balance to purchasing your next game. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If you don't already have Steam installed, download it from the official Steam website and complete the installation before continuing. Once Steam is open, look toward the top right corner of the window and click the Login button if you're not already signed in. Enter your account name and password, then click Sign In to access your account. After logging in successfully, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage. Next, look toward the top of the Steam window and click on the Games menu. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that list, select Redeem a Steam Wallet Code. This is the section where you can add the balance from your Steam gift card directly to your account. You'll now see a field where you can enter your Steam Wallet code. Carefully type the code exactly as it appears on your gift card. Since every character matters, it's worth taking a moment to double-check for any typing mistakes before moving on. Once everything looks correct, click Continue. Steam will verify the code and add the corresponding balance to your Steam wallet. After the funds have been added successfully, head over to the Store tab. From here, you can browse through the available games or use the search bar to quickly find the title you want to purchase. Once you've found the game you're looking for, click on it to open its store page and review the details. If you've made your decision, click Add to Cart. Next, open your shopping cart by selecting View My Cart. Take a moment to confirm that the correct game has been added. Then click Continue to Payment. If your Steam wallet contains enough funds, select Steam Wallet as your payment method. Review the purchase, check the box indicating that you agree to Valve's terms and conditions, and then click Purchase to complete the transaction. That's all there is to it. Your game will be added to your Steam library shortly, and you'll be ready to download and start playing. Hopefully this guide helped make the process simple and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!